The Nā Pali Coast State Park is one of the most breathtaking places on Kauai. 16 miles of towering emerald cliffs rising straight from the Pacific along the island's dramatic northwest shore. The best way to experience it? From the sea. Sailing beneath these cathedral-like ridgelines gives you a front-row view of sea caves, hidden beaches, and waterfalls carving their way down sheer poly walls. Most tours depart from Port Allen on Kauai's south shore, a reliable year-round gateway. In summer months, some boats also leave from Hanalei Bay, offering shorter access when North Shore waters are calm. Along the way, you may spot spinner dolphins, green sea turtles, and in winter, migrating humpback whales. Conditions permitting, captains may anchor for snorkeling in crystal clear coves. But Nā Pali isn't just stunning, it's sacred. For over 1,000 years, native Hawaiians lived, farmed, and fished in these valleys. Some places, like Honopu's iconic twin coves, remain protected and sacred, admired respectfully from the water. There's no road along Nā Pali. To truly understand its scale, history, and spirit, you meet it the way Polynesian navigators once did, by sea.